Warning! This channel is for adults only. I do not condone any illegal activities, and everything I record is for educational purposes only. With that said,
I'm gonna teach you how to grow some weed.
So I've been following Mr. Canucks for a while. He's undoubtedly the most popular YouTuber when it comes to growing, and his video production is amazing. He definitely knows what he's doing. So I studied Matt's growing style, and it consists of 5 different ingredients: Gaia Green soil, Gaia Green grow and bloom amendments, worm castings, and mykos. It's a pretty simple mix, and the only issue I had was trying to find Gaia Green soil in the States. I tried to order it off of Amazon, but it got denied at the border by customs and rerouted back. I reached out to the company, and here's what they said.
Our living soil has a lot of regulatory hoops to jump through before it will be able to sell in the US. Right now, it is unable to ship across the border due to not meeting regulatory and customs requirements. Our apologies. We do not have a date at this time of when it can be expected in the US. Thank you, Courtney.
So, it is what it is. I had access to 7 different soils, and after doing lab tests, I feel like Promix HP is the closest, so I'll be using that instead. I'm gonna start the clone off in a 1.5 gallon plastic pot. I'm gonna use 6 cups of worm castings, 18 cups of Promix, and 4.5 tablespoons of 444 Gaia Green Grow amendments. Make sure you wear a mask when you're adding Gaia Green amendments. It does come with a warning, and it kind of smells like dog food. Finally, I'll add a tablespoon of mykos in the center of the pot. So the second pot is gonna be a 5-gallon fabric pot with about 2.5 gallons of Promix, 14 cups of worm castings, 5.25 tablespoons of Gaia Green Grow and Bloom amendments, Again, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of mykos in the center of this pot, and the only other thing I'll do in this whole entire feeding process is 30 days into flower, I'm gonna top dress with 1.25 cups of worm castings and 5 more tablespoons of the Gaia Green Bloom amendment. Price-wise, the total cost for a 5-gallon pot prorated is about $21, and the initial cost for all the supplies was $168, which is enough for 4 5-gallon pots. A breakdown on the cost analysis is in the description, and it's probably cheaper to get all this stuff at your local hydroponics store, but if you want to save on gas, check the links in the description. Promix HP is pretty basic and must be amended for the best results. After running a lab test on the soil, I find the pH runs high and all of the levels of macro and micronutrients are acceptable. The only macronutrient that's at optimum levels is phosphorus. Overall, the Gaia Green amendments for Grow and Bloom both have NPK ratios that I'm more than comfortable with. The addition of more Mycorrhizae, because Promix already has some, will help break down the nitrogen in the worm castings. Both of the Gaia Green amendments also have a healthy amount of calcium, and the only issue I anticipate with this grow is the lack of magnesium. If a problem occurs further on in this grow, remind me in the comments. Other than that, this grow style seems pretty solid, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it stands up to the other slots. That's it from Mr. Canucks slot. If you want to check out the day-to-day grow on this journal, check out our Discord, and also for the other 5 slots, check out our other videos.
I'm gonna teach you how to grow some weed.
How we grow 'em